In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the focus button to search within the right source. When you're working inside the query entry box, one of the most useful tools available is the focus button. This feature helps you control where your search or request is directed. So instead of searching everywhere in the same way, you can narrow the scope based on the kind of information you actually need. That makes your results more relevant and can save you a lot of time. To begin, look inside the query entry box and locate the focus button. It's typically placed right where you're preparing to type your request, so you won't need to leave the search area to use it. Before entering or submitting your query, click that button to open the available focus options. Once the menu appears, choose the category that best matches your goal. If you want broad information from across the internet, select Web. This is the best choice for general searches, current topics, and widely available online content. If you need more research-based material, choose Academic. This option is designed for published papers and scholarly sources, which can be especially helpful when you're looking for evidence-based information or more formal references. If your goal is to generate content rather than search the web, select Writing. This mode is useful when you want the system to create a response directly, such as drafting text, brainstorming, or helping you write something from scratch without pulling in web results. For video-based information, select YouTube. This focus is intended for searching through video transcripts, which can be helpful if you're trying to find explanations, walkthroughs, or spoken content from videos without manually watching each one. If you're looking for opinions, real-world experiences, or community discussions, choose Reddit. This option is useful when you want to see how people are talking about a topic in forums and discussion threads. After selecting the focus source you want, go ahead and enter your query or continue with the one you've already written. Then submit it to run the search within that specific domain. The system will use the focus you selected to guide the results, which helps keep the output aligned with your intent. A simple tip here is to choose your focus based on the kind of answer you want, not just the topic itself. The same question can produce very different results depending on whether you search the web, academic sources, community discussions, or a writing mode. That's how to use the focus button to search more effectively and get results from the source that fits your needs.